So your ceiling just started dripping. Your shingles are in the yard, and now your stomach drops. This isn't a maybe next month situation. You need a new roof now. So what are you going to do when waiting could mean more damage and more money out of your pocket? Hey there, and welcome back to the Roofing Doctor's video series on how much does a new roof cost in 2025. And in this episode, we're breaking down what to do when you're facing a roofing emergency. You know, the kind that can't wait. Whether it's storm damage, sudden leaks, or a collapsed section of your roof, we're going to give you some actionable advice you can use today. So what do you do first? Let's go over all of this. Number one, document the damage effectively. This means take wide-angle photos of the whole roof and close-ups of affected areas, capturing any interior damage, ceiling stains, leaks, bubbling paint, things of that nature. Then use video if it's safe, especially if the damage worsens during weather. And store everything in a dedicated folder or a cloud app labeled Roof Emergency. And number two, call a trusted roofer. And by the way, we'll leave a checklist of all of these things here that you can do so you can be guided when you come upon a situation like this and just follow it step by step, and we'll leave that in the description for you. Okay, once you call a trusted roofer, ask if they offer emergency response inspections or fast topping. Then make sure they're licensed, insured, and locally reviewed. Very important credentials to have, all right? Request transparent pricing and ask about any hidden fees right up front. Don't wait to do that. And a pro tip, ask if the roofer will help with insurance documentation. That can save you a lot of time, big time. Number three, check your homeowner's insurance. This will be a drag, but it's very important that you do so. And you're gonna wanna look for keywords like wind damage, tree damage, or named storm events. And then find out if you need to file within a certain time window. Sometimes it's 14 to 30 days. And check whether you have actual cash value, ACV, or replacement cost value. This can impact how much you get back. And if you're confused, bring your policy when you meet the roofer. For instance, our team is very familiar with this process and can help you a lot if you ever come and see us for these types of situations. And in terms of the keyword search, if you just use ChatGPT, type in the document or take a picture of the document rather, put it in ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to search for those keywords, that'll save you a lot of time if you do that because it's really good at doing stuff like that. And like I mentioned, we'll offer a checklist of the following things I just mentioned to guide you if you ever go through something like this, and we'll leave that checklist so you can download right in our description. Okay, so how do we at Roofing Doctor handle roofing emergencies? Typically, we have a response on emergencies within 24 to 48 hours, and we do emergency inspections. Then we do temporary fast tracking repairs to prevent interior damage of your home. Then oftentimes we try to work directly with insurance adjusters when needed. And we try to communicate very clearly, no surprise pricing during this whole communication process. So just a quick example. Let's say a storm takes off a large section of shingles, and if left exposed, water seeps into the underlayment and attic of your home, potentially ruining insulation, drywall, even flooring. In cases like these, we often install a temporary watertight barrier to prevent further damage before the full job can be scheduled and completed. But a quick note to homeowners, this is very important now. While we do offer emergency solutions, Roofing Doctor's owner takes pride in making sure every job is done with precision and accountability. This means we're selective with the types of emergency requests we take on. So we won't jump into every last minute fix, but if your situation fits our approach, we'll treat your home like it's our very own. Okay, so what if insurance doesn't cover something? What if it won't cover it? We occasionally offer phased repair options, urgent now, full replacement later. Ask about affordable solutions or alternative materials that could work within your budget, and you won't get pressured from us, just clear expectations. So my friends, if your roof is falling and time is working against you, don't panic, just be proactive. You can call us here for our emergency evaluation today, Or visit our website for your free checklist of the things that you can do when you approach an emergency situation. Or use the link down below to get help fast, okay? If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and we'll try to answer every one of them. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss on our final video, how to maximize your roof's value long term. We'll catch you guys on the next one.